Hi, hello, mathematics subject with Daud. Today I would like to explain for you table 9. And table 9, it is the easiest table ever. And all the tables with Daud are easiest table. So today I would like to explain for you this table with so many different techniques. And I don't want to waste the time. I would like to turn to the blackboard, and in table 9 we have two lines, tens line and Sundays line, and I am going to start by tens line from up to down, and then after I finish it I am going to start in Sunday's line from down to up. So let me start, and I am going to start by 0 ended here is 9, and as you know it is table 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is here. So after I finish the tens line, I am going to see the Sunday's line. So, and I am going to start from 0, and as you know 9 times 10 it is 19. So I am going to start from 0 ended here in 9. And anyone know that 9 times 1 equal 9. And 0, when it be on the left, it means nothing. So I am going to start from down to make it easily for you. And even I can start from 9 ended in 0. But I am going to minus 1, 1, 1. But to make it easily, I am going to start from down to up. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is here. So, and this way it is for children, but people, smart people like you must write the two numbers on one times. So, for example, we said 9 times 1 equal 9, and we are going to write 0 here. So on this line we are going to add 1, 1, 1, 1 till we reach the end. And here we are going to minus 1, 1, 1. So let us start. Here I am going to minus 1, and here I am going to end 1. And it is going to be 18. And here I am going to minus 2. And here I am going to add 1, and here I am going to minus 1, and it is going to be 17. And here I am going to add 1, and here I am going to minus 1, and it is going to be 36. And here I am going to add 1, and here minus 1, and it is going to be 45. And here I am going to add 1, and here minus 1, and it is going to be 54. And here I am going to add 1, and here minus 1, and here I am going to add 1, and it is going to be 7, and here I am going to minus 1, and it is going to be 2, and here 9, 8, and here 1, and here 9, and here 0. So now I calculate this number and I wrote the two numbers on the same time. So let us see another technique, and I am going to delete this. After I finish deleting, I let tens line, and now here we have the 10th line. We are going to see the Sunday's line. So we are going to complete this number to 9. 0, how many it remains for 0 to be 9? It's 9 as it is. So how many it remains for 1 to be 9? And it is 8. And how many it remains for 2 to be 9? It is 7. How many it remains for 3 to be 9? 6. How many it remains for 4 to be 9? 5. And by this way, how many it remains for 5 to be 9? Is 4. How many it remains for 6 to be 9? 3. How many it remains for 7 to be 9? 2. How many it remains for 8 to be 9? And 1. How many it remains for 9 to be 10? We are going to write 0 because 9 is 9. So after I finish this technique, we are going to see another technique. But with those technique, you are if someone asks you 9 times any number, you are not going to tell him within a moment the calculate of the number. So now I am going to give you another example. 9, another technique, 9 times any number. 9 times 6 equal. So I am going to minus from this number 1 and complete this number to 10. So I'm going to minus from this number 1, 5, and complete this number to 10. How many it remains for this number to be 10? 4. 9 times 6, 54. Let us take another example. 9 times 8. Minus from this number 1 and complete this number to 10. Minus 1 is going to be 7. Complete. How many remains for this number to be 10? 2. And if you see here, 9 times 8, 9 times 8, 72. So, and by this technique, you are going to keep the tens table easily. If someone asks you 9 times any number, on this side, minus 1. And in this side, complete 10. See how many it remains for the number that, how many it remains for it to be 10, and write it here. For example, 9 times 5. 5. I'm going to put 5 here. Here, minus 1, 4. And here, I'm going to complete 5 to 10. How many it remains for 5 to be 10? 5. And here, 4. 45. 45. And by this technique, you are able to keep table 9 easily. And let us see another technique. And even we have another technique, we can use it in table 9, and by using finger, let me put the chalk, and here, if someone asks you, you can calculate table 9 with your fingers. If someone asks you 9 times any number, 9 times 4, 9 times 4, by using your hand, and you are going to start by your left hand, and you are going to start by this finger and calculate. So 9 times 4. Let us write it here at the first. 9 times 4. So 9 times 4. I am going to calculate by this finger, as I said, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have this number. I am going to make it like this, and I am going to consider it as gap or nothing here, but it is the gap that. So now by this side I have 6, and on this side I have 3. So 9 times 4, 36. 36. So let us see. 30, as I said, minus 1, 30, complete this number to 10, 36. And here I got 36. So another example, 9 times 5. I'm going to make this number like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now 45. 45. Did you get it? So 9 times, let us see, 9 times 1. I'm going to make my 1. By here there is no finger. And here 9. 9 times 1, 9. 9 times 2, 1 and 8 here. 18. 9 times 2, 27. 9 times 4, 36. 9 times 5, 45. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times 7, 60. 63, and till you finish the table. And even there is some people say, I am going to delete this and I am going to show you